fighting so much? Baba became more than just a spiritual guide. As I saw my life changing direction, I started rediscovering Toya, and the fact that he was by my side, helping me rediscover and find Toya, just made me see him through different eyes, and I got hooked.
How many years?
Oh, so you like me.
Okay, I'm going to come on. Yes, we are
Rushing on me.
kahle ngakutshela vele-ke masisize eqinisweni manje mina ngiyona insizwa eyomndeni ngathi ubuye futhi nawe angibona awubuzi yiloyo muntu nokuthi into eqondile ngathi futhi wena ozongenzela ingane loyo wena-ke I think ngizomshada-ke.
I love love. I love being committed. I love settling down. I do see myself getting married again. And I wanted to be Vusama Zulu's dad.
Mina ngisinami.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthanda sithanda sami. Ngifuna sizinyanga leziyana ezilaphaya yabona? Yeah, mina ngazi ukuthi izuphi zisemkhathini. Zikhuphuke zimele kwanje ayikhulu wathi. My Queen of Egypt. See? So I'm the King of Lagos, ever?
Yeah.
So these accusations make me say the most powerful
Empire. Empire.
When you feel the empire,
I love you. You know that I really, really love you. And sometimes I wish you were the first person that I married in my life. Maybe I'd just still be married. You know, because now I come with so much baggage, and instead of just jumping into this marriage that I so badly, that I want with you, I'm being so careful. I'm being so careful. I'm just like, yes, I want it. I don't want to live a half life because I am fearing to move forward, because I do have fears and inhibitions, and he knows it too. But I do also have my fears about accepting, saying yes. Like, I ask myself questions. Now, what's going to happen? Hankari yes, Hankari I do. Is it just going to damage the whole relationship?
What is in being? Okay. So who is God? Shut up.
Okay, that's something. I got something for you. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, baby, this is nice. Oh, you don't put your thing.
And put your tongue, Baba. I'm still learning how to get the baking thing right. I cook a mean meal. Okay. You do? You do? Ngoba uhlala usentabeni ufusise libitso la hao.
Yeah, manje.
I knew you forgot your own birthday. Like you still don't look at a watch to tell time.
You're a caveman.
You're a caveman. You're a caveman. But I love my caveman. It's okay.